Hey guys, welcome to my channel again today. Today I'm going to be creating a look with the LA Girl Nudist palette. I just got this from Ulta. It was only like 10 bucks. It was like $10.99 if I remember right. So not very expensive at all. And so it's the first time I'm going to be using this palette. As you can see, I still have the plastic in there. But the pod sizes seem to be really good, and I love that there's a big fat mirror so I can just kind of sit here and do my makeup. Let's see what look I am able to create. I'm excited! So I think the first color I'm going to take will be this one right here. Seems just like a nice color. Kind of go around with your crease and just kind of start this look off with. Now it's summer, so I'm really digging like these kind of golden colors. I like them for fall too, so that's the great thing about nude palettes is they're good year round. But y'all knew that already. My first mistake, I forgot primer or even concealer. So we'll see how this goes. I think we're just gonna try to buff that out real quick. And now we're gonna try going in, I think, maybe darkening it just a little. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy today, so I'm gonna try to keep it nice and simple, like this one. And I just applied it with my fingers because I find that shimmer come on a lot easier with your fingers if you don't use a lip brush. It's like, it gives you a nice silky effect. If you don't know how to do. And just look perfect. Like myself. I think I am going to go over it with the brush a little bit, just to darken it down here. And give it a little bit more definition. Alright. And that is a quick and easy look to do with the LA Girl Nudist palette. So I did go through and obviously like touch up the look afterwards. I feel like everybody does that before they do the final reveal. This is just like a quick, I feel like, good everyday look. I love the gold colors. You'll find for a lot of my my everyday looks, they're going to be in a lot of the nude palettes, just like this one. Like the LA Nudist palette. I just love saying the Nudist palette. I don't know why, because I'm immature. So I did go through and I touched it up. I used this color right here, just kind of to blend out right here, because I feel like orange, no matter what shade, even if it's kind of like the goldy orange, kind of like how this color is, it needs it. It's just too much without. And then I went ahead and I used this color. for the inner highlight. I feel like the only thing you can see is the fact that I smudged my mascara all over my lid. That's the reason why I wanted to use one of these dark colors, is to try to kind of blend that and cover it up. Far away is just like, it is what it is. You can't tell, I don't think, too much, but up close you can definitely tell. So sorry for failing, you guys, but I tried the best that I could. Alright, so I did go ahead, oh sorry, I don't know why I felt the need to lean in closer to you. I did go ahead and I added some eyeliner to the look because I wasn't still 100% sure how I felt about it before without it. I don't know, what do you think? The eyeliner, I think it helps. If anything, it just distracts from the train wreck that it could potentially be considered. So, I just wanted to say thanks again for watching this video. Thanks for taking the time to support smaller channels like this, even if it's like 2 minutes, like not all of the way. The view, it shows up on my tracker, so I appreciate that. It makes me feel better about myself. It makes me feel like I'm not completely wasting my time with doing this, even though some of you are arguing that I probably am. So again, thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. If you like them, please click subscribe. And I try to put out a couple of videos every week just to like get my name out there. There's no certain days, so don't count on that. Don't count on a certain day. So you'll get my videos when you get them, and you'll like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.